Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello, everyone. Today I will be helping you with the 34th problem of the chapter 14 problem set. And so 14 is asking, what did Griffith conclude from his experiment? So you know that what happened was that he used basically pneumonia strand. So there's going to be the S and then the R. So the S was basically the causer, and then R did not cause anything. So then when he gave the mouse the S1, it died. When he gave him the S1 that was heated up, it did not die. When he gave him the mouse the R strand, it did not die. However, when they did give the heated up S strand and an R strand mixed into the mouse died, which showed that the S bacteria went into the R bacteria. So that now when going through all these answers, you want to really look at them. So B, for example, said Vibrio calore, which is not what they use. They use S pneumonia. And then if we go through them, we can go through. Well, A is the answer, so that is the correct one. And I'm just going to tell you how to decipher between them because some of them are really similar. For example, C says 2 strains of S pneumonia were used for the experiment. Griffith injected a mouse with heat inactive strain and R strain. The mouse died and R strain was recovered from the dead mouse. So actually the R strain was not recovered. The only recovery was the S strand. So then D says all of the same stuff. And then at the second part, it says the mouse died and S strain was recovered from the dead mouse, which is true. And then the last part is where it's wrong. He said he concluded that mutation occurred in DNA of the cell that changed morphology and physiology, which is not true. He actually concluded that external DNA is taken up by a cell, like the R cell, that changed morphology and physiology, which is why it's A, because R took up S. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.